Welcome back to Coloring Book TV, and we're there with a brand new movie called Toxic Relationship. Make sure you like, share, comment, tell a friend about Coloring Book TV. Watch the movie until the end. Big up on yourself. Yo, how are you? How would I text?
Stop now.
What you mean stop? How would I text?
You know see I'm a friend me I text around with you.
What you mean friend? What kind of friend?
Give me back my
What kind of friend I text?
I'm a girlfriend me I text my best friend and I'm my best friend.
So make your phone have to always be your attention. Every minute of your phone you sit down pan. You can't do without your phone for one day. You always depend on your phone.
What else me fi do? Me do everything what me need fi do in the house already. I did that here. So what me fi do? Sit down and look out of space?
I never tell you if you do that. But I not trust you none at all because you will save all your girl best friend. You will save your man name as girl best friend. I saw no man telling you.
Brother, you're too paranoid. That with you.
What you mean? I want you. Easy yourself.
Give me my phone.
Yo, easy. Nobody with you in the morning. Because you always up on your phone. You come like you know no time for me. A man in there text and you tell me about girl best friend.
Tell me now, which one you did there? So now after where you come from?
And what that have to do with them? I'm not a big man. You think me a little boy?
Oh, so I'm not a big man, me can't depend on my phone.
Yo, listen me, I say, you claim to say your girl best friend that talk to. Call her,
me not have no credit. Me not have no credit.
What you mean you not have no credit?
Me not have no credit.
Yo, give me a number, because you feel like say you can't take me for no either. No one now go clown me out in no relationship, and that me I try to tell you. Give me a number. And don't kiss your teeth when me I talk to you.
357 1821.
Come in and know I want to hear your phone.
Hello.
Oh, sorry, wrong number.
Who is this?
Wrong number, sorry.
I don't understand them people here.
Me understand them. Who call them?
Do you hear? You hear when the person say wrong number?
No. And when you hear say cheat, then me wake up. But me I say to you this is that me think of somebody. Me feel say I try to play one trick for me or some code business. I could a man just call you and tell you a while ago and tell you say if he say cheat and act the way there.
If me did I play some trick for you, me would answer phone in the first place. I'm phone the answer.
You a trickster. You know how to do your thing. You're a trickster. Eh?
You know say I'm not gonna do this, you know.
What do you mean you not do this?
I'm not going to no argument with you, because see me know me can't take argument. I'm not going to this today, you know.
What means it's not innocent me?
Me I live my life.
That's some tricks you're depending right now. Yo, give me that answer. Damn it there. Some tricks you're depending now. Yo. Right now I'm hungry and I food if you cook for me right now and I talk food to my ears. But you don't depend this. You depend what? Eh? You see if you build this. You know how hard it is to build this. I'm tired now. Eh? Right now me have 3 workmen who want to come collect money in the evening. I don't know where the next dollar come from. And you talk about say, you know this. You in this?
And I alone bill yourself.
Who?
And me and you bill yourself.
How?
It's not you alone bill yourself.
What mean say
and me and you bill yourself.
How you bill yourself? Tell me how you bill yourself.
Yo, you see.
Tell me how you contribute now.
Listen, just go on.
Alright, it is so much so you can't tell me one thing where you bill yourself. Disagree ya. I give me gear money to give them. I know you bill it. So when they give the money for give the man, for pay the man, you feel say you bill it too with me? Yo. I give you some time. I'm a damn key there.
If you take your spray yourself out from here, so that's what you do.
What you say? What you just say, wanna go?
I say if you take the sitting there and spray yourself from out, that's what you do.
Spray myself?
Yeah, spray yourself.
You see, if you never have one go off, go start right now fast and come back, me tell you which part of spray. Me tell you which part I want to spray. You better go buy one shave and shave off the bush.
Underneath clean.
Yeah, clean when?
Underneath clean, so I'm going to have to spray under there. I'm going to have to use it when you get them, I use it tight up.
You yourself. You see I go and boast and I go and show off? Eh? You see I go and boast and I go and show off? Me know if you cool, man.
Ah, Dad. I'll lick you if you come and lick me.
How you want me go to jail again? You want me go to jail again? A jail house you want to send me? The last time you check now, you know a police boy. You call him, make him come bad me up. And that you do. So you feel like some if you go to jail today. You want to send me go to jail today? That not going to work here. Remember me tell you that.
Oh my God. You see me? I'm not afraid of you know that. You know that too. So I'm not afraid of you.
What do you mean you're afraid of me?
You know so I'm not afraid of you.
So I'm afraid of you?
It looks so. I don't know why you kill up yourself so far. Cockroach.
By the time I come back in this place, you better tell me everything, you girl. You better tell me everything, you girl.
Go on. Oh my God.
Yo!
I want to find out who called my phone and then see.
Oh. So your girl best friend, bitch, you babe. Sorry about
Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
babe, sorry about that. Me know, sorry about that, babe.
Yo, me just sick. Yo, me sick and tired of you, you know. Me sick and tired of you. Too insecure at that with you.
Babe, sorry for your accusing. You know, I just love you, and then me just always feel like certain things are go wrong in a relationship.
You put your feelings before everything and that the mess with you. Me can't do this no more. Right now, me can't do this no more, you.
So what you do?
Me a go pan the road. Awa. Me have to report here, so me a go pan the
Go
road.
on which road? Yeah, man. Go on.
Leg off.
Go on which road? Oh yeah, go. Man, I want to go on the road. I'm fling this and match up it. Yo, that's a fool, man. When mama could have really got. God, Lord. Actually, some fool man come here, Lord. Yo, some man I know they have one good man in a youth.
What one? Yeah, girl. So I make you look so.
Girl, right now. Put my bed and go and drop in my yard. What up your stress now? Anyways, right now, I don't have a good mood, you know. This morning I lay down. I think this just a while ago, that's why I put it. Me and my man lay down in there. I see the phone and ring, so I answer the phone. The man go say, wrong number. My man vex with me and sit and cuss me in the house. But him fi know say, you know, them the cheating days are with me done. So right now, I'm not in a good mood because whoever call the phone and I can't talk about wrong number, then put my life in a jeopardy.
Where your man there?
He's not here. He vex and gone.
Girl, we soon touch that topic there. Just give me like 1 minute. We soon touch the topic there. I have something to tell you. You know me and for my man how we toxic and go on, right? You know say me sit down well decent. The way planning to come off the road, you know. Dep on my phone, me and you text. You know, so the man grab the phone from me and create excitement in the house. How if a man me a text this, that, I may tell the man say, are you me a text my friend, my best friend. The man come like him paranoid.
scrub your phone for you. Then what kind of man that I go?
You know hear the worst part of it.
How I go on?
That the call the way you get a him call you.
What you say? You look dirty thinking fat boy him call me phone. The little knobbeard boy him call me phone.
You know feel silence.
He look dirty. Hey, me no want rub him come today now. What you look dirty boy call me phone for? Make me and my man no problem. You know for a long time me no like your man. Me no like your man, you know, because your man a problem in a people life.
Right.
So you want broke up for you and him relationship can look like say no want you. I say you want come broke up for me relationship for me and my man left. That now go work. When day? What the John ready?
Me left my pay, they have to take out my phone, girl.
Take away your, make the man take away your phone. I can go, they go, nah, messy. You look at dirty thinking, man, make the man give me one piece of tracing and gone left me. I don't like the man the way you have, you know. Me not like him. For you see looks and face. You see say my problem, destruction, crosses everything in one. I want to look at demons they up in your life. No, I'm here style him because he Jesus Christ.
You see?
Me a style him because he make me man vex with me and gone. Suppose my man drive out in Crown a while ago and go crash up in a sitting. If my man did that, you know, me a haunt your man, you know. Me dey haunt him and me a make sure so me set baby dopey pan him.
You don't talk now?
Me a go up there go chase him. So if you're not ready, you turn your sucker, me dey go up there and go give him me mind.
So make you want to go up there go cuss him now? So when you go up there go cuss him and the man, Jesus save. Pinky!
Private investigator. What you call me phone for?
What call the phone?
Stop calling me phone, you old.
What you do? What call the phone?
What you call me phone for? The man vex with me.
What you talk about?
You just call me phone.
Me call the phone a while ago, girl.
Yo, me say if you just call me phone.
Take your out of my face. Me call the phone a while ago. What you do?
You feel I'm afraid, you feel like woman this. You
Don't
feel like
try to come over me and go like you
watch man. Look watch man. Stop from watching girl. My girl don't want you. A girl tired of your lifestyle.
So you are what?
I be a watch a girl. Watch your homes.
You are what?
Where me buy me a what?
So you come over here.
Why you call me phone for? If you never call me phone, would reach over. I'm a matter of fact though. I'm a friend from comfort. Give me it.
Yo, listen to me, I say, me never take no phone from here, and I say, you can't come demand no phone.
Give me my friend phone, I give me comfort.
Take it.
I'm going to tell you something, you know. This is the first and the last me come over here. Don't make a mistake again and call me phone. Give me the girl, yo, give me the girl phone. Give me the girl phone.
Yo, take your hand front of my pocket and me have to slap off your face.
Slap off your face.
Take it from me, police, take it from me.
I'm going to lick down your hey boy.
Yeah man, yo, nobody let me take out my problem by me. Take go on here, go to here. Don't let me take out my problem by go on here yard, girl. Me and you not dead, me and you not a relationship.
Remember some one, you know.
And me and you live on 6.
You see next time,
business.
don't call me phone, you're an idiot boy. I don't like you.
But you go on here, because you're going to take up my woman problem by your head. You're going like a me and you live on 6. Don't take my woman problem by your head.
I'm not never live on 6. Me and you on 6.
One of y'all, man.
Give me the girl phone, I be comfort. Give me the girl phone.
Yeah, who? Yeah, somebody.
Give me the girl phone. Come on, know what you do with it. I search, I want to search the girl phone. Search, I want to search the girl phone. Watch him to look, watch it phone.
I feel me woman phone and I hear her phone, so if I want to search, I search it. You don't worry about me and our business.
You know what? I don't know what my friend do with you. I don't know what she seen of you. Because you ever hurt her, you ever accuse her of doing things and she not do nothing. So I don't know what kind of watchman did she come pick up. And you know what too? Me tired of the relationship. Because son no cuss and fight and son no go back. Me tired of that phone and jam me night. You need to kill the girl in phone and stop from watch the girl.
But they never give you no referee job, you know, so I don't know what you're doing in the middle with problem, you know.
Private investigator. Me come here so because you call me phone and make my man not argument with me and gone. Me not like you. Nonsense.
How did the little idiot girl that come over here and talk about woman and watching woman? Your relationship police. Hey girl, makes sense. You come out of me and then I come call man about watching pumps to you, you. If me watch my woman for sure. Yo, wait till all the girl that come over here and see me not slap off all in face. If I make people come over here and style, man. Yo.
Coloring book. Coloring book.
Hello, hello. How would
Come here, come here.
Hold on, let me check. Turn on, me check. Turn on. Yeah. Boy, sometimes when you're alone living up, it's how we hear, huh? Jesus Christ, Father God. Can't tell me a problem, because from me see, hold on there. You know, so a girl that call me. A girl that over bridging come from, you know. Hold on there. Hello? Girl, me soon give you $2,000. If you give you $2,000, me give you 3 and me owe you 2. And me say me come quick, you know. Alright, me call you back, alright. Somebody beg me 2,000. I want you now. Come sit down, man. God. Which one do you want? Yeah, because you're heavy and you're stressed. And your problem heavy too, so sit down on your rock and bust the bus. I want you now. Hold on. Watch me.
I don't have time for that, you know. Right now, I'm going to tell you this now. You see friend what you have? You see puppy Dan?
Hold on, my friend, your boyfriend, where your animal always a left, go back, and go back. Can you hear me attack?
No make it sound so man, and him see a man me attack. Me sick and me tired of him. When me say me tired of him, me frustrated like sometimes me feel like those runway. Like literally runway. You know, so this morning me sit down well comfortable after me done do me duties, you know. And
listen me nah cut you, you know. The last time you come to me and you talk about puppy Dan, I can't believe you go back and tell him say me say and I counsel you. So if you go through that again where you go tell him say me say me can't bother with you, you know. Cause if you tired of puppy Dan and your man and I'm a virgin, what you think about me? So go on you know. Anything where you talk, so just make it can yourself. Alright.
Puppy Dan go on the road. I don't know where he go.
Yes.
Me the one me finish do my duties and sit down on my phone.
What kind of duty?
Like house duty and so, you don't know.
Oh, my apology. I don't really want me just have to find out, you know. Yes.
Sit down on my phone, I text my friend. Right?
Yeah, text a friend?
Yeah.
Man or woman?
Female.
Oh, female. Okay, yeah.
Text my friend, right? In just come in. Yo, who you take this? Grab my phone, whine and argument with me, you know.
See him when you say it? Yo, who you text? See him where?
See him where?
And grab the phone from you.
And grab the phone from me. One piece of excitement in our house, I'll grab me up, me take back my phone. You know what Puppy Dan do? Yo, me not believe in it. Call your friend. So I give him the number.
So call the friend and show him your friend.
I have no credit, so I give him the number and call the girl. Realize the girl answer. Hang up the phone now. One bag of problem. So
you feel like a dog, you know? You feel shame.
I don't know when you feel like
you feel shame. So that type problem you can't tell me?
Yes.
So you vex about that? Jesus Christ. So you never come and say, babes, who you call? You just come and say, babes, how you call? And grab your phone from you. Well, like kind of 50-50 still, you know. That look like a circuit. Because remember say, if me can see up on phone still, all alone, say it like him still. Because he say it like him vice. Rough.
No, but what me I say? If me in a relationship, you have to trust me. Every time you see me on my phone, you feel say a man me I talk to.
Let me say something now. Puppy Dan, if you trust you, you know. But you see the trust thing, you know, is a way. So you see like them the people who are out there, he said bad for Puppy Dan if you trust you. You get what me I say? You see them
on my side of the pan I feel.
Me up on the two on the side. I'm matter of fact, me not up on none on the side. I justice me a split. You shouldn't come rough up your and draw out your phone. If you trust you know, but some people say it bad, but puppy if you know say, them the people out there say in a relationship, I no film relationship, and you want him to deal with trust. Better in trust and know saying getting heart. You never break in heart yet.
I never do nothing to him. Nothing in my life, so I don't know what wrong with him.
Look while me in there. And I clean up my house, you know. Same time you come call me. You know, say, Fran, me in a good mood and from me your voice and I come out and see your mate start at me. Because I know say some problem here. No, this me I just say no. I know this, you know, but so me know say a problem here come with you and from me see you, me know say you and puppy dan. I something you know. Me bet you win you right now. Say anytime you left your so. Be time a puppy dan go call me. Yo, how are you there? I want to talk to you, you know. The same thing where you go tell me, the same thing you go tell me. I'm kind of tired of it, but you know the reason why I'm listen. You are one good man still, you know. You are one good man. And you say puppy dan now go know the use of you until he lose you. I mean, I really want to reach this because he's a very good man. So what you want me to talk to him about now?
Tell him saying too insecure. And he need to change in dirty ways, else me I go run when I film. Tell him same way so.
I go tell him same, but remember saying run one at a time and you come back, you know. All the friends you have done, so you and him in an argument. Because every time you and him left on you gone back and we look like we are fool in a like relationship. But you see me now, you see from you come and you tell me, say, if you tell him something, me I go tell him something. And one more thing, you ain't come check me? You don't come and come check me? You ain't talk to me.
Me never talk to you. Me never see you.
You learn, you know. Alright, my child, look more.
Later.
Take care. You come like the rain a fall, hurry up before it rain wet you, because it's like how your bags are now. And the rain a go come down, you know your blood pressure go up and you drop down. So take your time. Alright. Jesus Christ, Father God, if I'm tired of puppy dan and I'm a puppy dan, then me and puppy dan are just friends. What you want to say about me? Matter of fact, Mr. Look, idiot girl call me. The girl sell me look something. Because me hire ride me and me go link him and he call me for $2,000. Hello girl, listen me. Me I carry $2,000 come give you. A matter of fact, I swim in off the swim too. Yeah, swim in off the swim. Look more. Me I carry $2,000 come give you. Alright. What if I lock the boy lock the door in the boy, come open me door. You know some me I carry $2,000 go give a girl. Me I go down on the road, you know. I go down on the road. Outside there I go. Me I go pay my bill. What kind of bill? You can't trust some people, so. One girl more 2,000 man. One night me go over big. One night me go over son and borrow 2,000.
Yo, listen to me, sir. Right now, I you me forward to you. You see if you not talk to that the girl me have done a yard there. Me go tap in her face, you know.
Father God.
You know say girl make girl come over my yard. In slim maga friend we have over there. And come and load up him out for me and a pint and in my face, but me fi give back friend in phone and how me call in phone and make him and him man in a problem. Yo, you see police station they don't come for me. My box are down a ground, you know.
So you know the police are going to come for you if you box him down?
Because I know him how good on they go tell police.
Father God, you see
I mean, my woman catch up this morning, I kind of on phone, you know.
Tribulation when I go through, Father God. Eh? You see tribulation when I go through. Puppy dan, how make you grab out the woman's phone?
They kind of on phone, I attention too much. In the on phone too much. And me can't trust her, you know. I can't trust her, because I don't trust her shop.
When you done talk, you done talk?
Me done talk, man.
You calm down, you know.
I'm for calm.
Puppy dan, you know what I say? Me not tell us if you trust your woman, you know. No one never tell her that, but brother, if you not say nothing, at times, where you make argument, you grab the woman phone and a call phone and a woman answer it to your friend. Every woman a problem, you know. Every woman a problem, but you have good woman out there to know the problem. Every woman have one good woman, brother. Every minute you have no woman left on
you feel so? You feel so? Me not think I want to go man. Yes, she wash, cook and clean for me.
What we done? So what make you there with the woman if you don't want a good woman then? You know, so me and my friend feel like you are the problem in the relationship.
Tell me something.
Your mind a trick your brother, the woman a one good woman. Me I go tell you something. You see when a woman argue with you every minute and I try to make it up, then concern. You see when then cuss and then make it up and then no business, then ask you where you go. Boy, puppy dan, just know say I give you peace.
Yeah, them a call you for 2,000 like you say if you go peace Christ. Hello?
Yo, me soon call her back, man. Me tell her say I bring you 2,000 come. Me soon call her back. You know? Me soon call her back. Me soon call her back. Me I go carry 2,000 come give you.
Yo, if you tap trust in you, what you do with that the 2,000?
You know, say me need to carry my business come tell you. Me I go deal with my business and you can't feel your business come tell me. Me just a try to tell you say when you see woman a argue every minute and concern and a call you ask you where you there, then care about you. When you have a woman and you not ask you where you go, which part you come from, what time you come in no business about you. Anytime you gone, you go cock up it. Anytime you gone, you go.
Wait, say anytime me gone, you go do a. Yo, I boss you want me go down and you go boss. Wait, say when me gone, you go cock up it. Wait, say a while ago.
Listen what me I say no. You have to listen. Come in, you go tell him say, me say, she a cock up. Me never said that.
So what you say a while ago then?
Puppy, me say, when you have a woman you're not concerned about you, they're not concerned. When you're gone, then go cock up it. Me never said. You understand me I say? So the woman asks you where you come from, where you are going concerned about you, you are the problem. Let me ask you something. You look at idiot girl what you have round so. Yeah, the one who ain't give you gun around, I mean catch you for me next time. You and him left? No, ask me. I'm here talk, I'm here there so. You and him left?
No,
so I got the problem. I got the problem. I got the problem, don't.
Why you tell love people business too much in the youth? When you go pay 2,000, so rain all come down.
Me love people business. Let me tell you something. Cause you want the people that know. You want the people that know my business. If me not have no man over my yard and me go buy something, I'm a woman 2,000. What is that to you?
Nothing.
No better me go buy look something and go rape. I mean, burn that.
Ayo, me and my woman can't. If me tap in her face right now, me and him still there. He love me till he
Who does that? Who does that?
Me just a try to show you. While my backside down now, she have to come back over me yard.
That's the problem, you know. You say you love you till he fool. He fool. Tell him so me say. He fool for you, you know. He fool for you because the amount of time where you beat him and he come back to you.
Well, I pay 2,000 lad. Look how me check you.
No touch me, because one thing with you, you know, like the truth.
Look how me check you.
I want woman left you.
You can't do that.
Come here. I told you that. Don't want to.
Me not none for me. I have to go down my tree. Wait for me. Only line for me down there. Me have fall.
How you go? Yes, my brother. Yo, what are you? Where you go? Up the road, yeah. Up the road, alright. Check over bridge. Over bridge more go. Respect. Yeah, look more.
I'm really sorry about everything because it's all my fault. And really and truly, I know how I feel live like this every day of my life. Have a toxic relationship.
You know how we have a toxic relationship, you know. You understand? And every time that always are going, but we have to figure out a way how we work past it. But you know, say over your friend me just come from.
What coloring book?
Yeah.
How them just come from clean a babe?
And if you ever know what your friend say,
What you say?
you might look at me go and tell me say, him tired of me here, you know. Him tired for hear this and him tired for hear that, and me not fi come back and tell him nothing. And you know the funny part about it? I walk going at the yard and him a tell me to turn round.
Tell if you do what?
To turn round.
Turn on for what?
Calm down now. Like, I don't know, like he zip it down like him a ear out or something. I don't know. I don't know.
One day I girl in my house, cause a while ago when I go over there, you know, a bridge the boy I go pay in 2,000 bill, you know. Kind of look like he can give the woman 3,000 or 2,000, you know.
You don't know what's me going on here. I'm hear the conversation for you know. His phone did ring. I'm here to tell somebody about he never come. Something about home.
When you want me to give him 1,000, like I say 1,000 I have and you want me to give him 1,000, I go give him money 2,000. Be a friend team by. Be a friend team by. But watch me and him have to go talk, because I don't know what kind of style that him I can tell him. But you know say all fear friend come over here can load up in him about your phone. But the people are going to get bored because I just worry about the tour right now. Because I was very comfortable.
Why I love it, you know? I don't know. Why I just love it so? I don't know. You eat from morning?
I eat it. That's just problem we have right now. I don't remember nothing about food.
No man, you need to eat, man.
Yeah, listen, I'm not worry about food right now. You know, yeah, I eat it.
You know, say if you talk
Me fix up the stove after car, so it's more of a panic.
You ready to tell me what I go on now? Eh? You ready to tell me all what I go on the phone call because I don't feel comfortable, you know? Me can have my woman sit down comfortable and receive call and I give man code. What kind of code business? And me alone if you have code. Eh? When me tell you say if you all come and you say don't come and all them something that, yo, that make it feel too personal. You ready for talk now?
I don't talk now.
You mean say me don't talk? Me can't don't talk and you don't start talk it.
Me ask if I don't talk now.
Alright, talk where you talk.
You see the phone call?
Yeah, how you go?
And my friend,
Jesus
man,
Christ.
take the phone and ring me.
Yes.
Why are you
A trick's that? Tricks are for
It's
kids.
not a trick.
What you mean say it's not a trick? So what is it then?
Listen.
Alright, tell
The
me.
girl
Tell me.
come over my yard, come tell me, Tia, my friend, our man take the phone and call me.
So you trust Tia? Tia have history, you know?
Listen, let me tell you something.
Hey, Tia have history. It's like every friend will have history. You want them to have some mysterious kind of relationship with. Eh? When they gonna stop this thing?
You know, sir, right now,
Eh? When we all grow together. Eh? You feel something I love you? When a man a go on so like he don't know damn sense, I cause him have feelings for you.
You know, say you move. Oh, sure. What you do? What you do?
Mr. Check your beauty spot now because I see one extra one come here, sir. I can't get cut, sir. I can't get cut, sir.
Yes. You know, say, you move toxic like them, you know. Listen to me, don't make the relationship be like Tia and her man. Because the relationship toxic, bad. I mean, not depend that. Me say, a man use his phone and call me number. They will...
Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Father God. Oh.
How are you?
Bringing in the sheaves. Bringing in the sheaves.
Hello.
Why I can't be the one rejoicing. Alright.
See people business and leave it alone.
So I tune for tune,
Hallelujah.
I tune for tune. Alright. Here we go now. Put fun and joke aside, because we don't depend on joking business.
And we're not pitney.
Is this a joking relationship?
No.
Is this something wanna go somewhere?
Me can ask one question.
Is this something that is not going somewhere?
Yes.
This is something wanna go now?
Yes. Yes, you say I really joker. Yes. Eh.
Yeah, joke, alright.
B, you have to just understand, say. Me change my life. I see certain things I used to do. I don't do it again. I realize I'm not left here. You know, so I go over here, I go chase our man.
Boy.
You know why I chase our man? Because he call my phone and make you cuss me and you left yard. And see you come back now with the same foolish. You say, why me call Tia and make she tell her?
You know, I don't want to put people in our business, you know. Yo, alright.
You know, you move like them, you know. It's a toxic relationship. You just make this look like.
No, it's not toxic. You have to
Me tell someone a toxic relationship.
No, but it's like this. You see, if a man have a woman and don't want to be as, you know, this emotional, putting this energy, you know, really love you to that. Because I guess, you know, it's sometimes when
Here we go on. Your food put on, go on.
My food put on?
Come on, go on. Go on. Me can't manage this no more. Go on.
I can't eat so hungry. You still love me?
Yes, I love you.
I love you too.
Always. Come on.
I love you too, but you have to understand, say, sometimes when I think about the fact, say, you know, I know me first in your life, you just make me feel away because you get all of them man them good wine there.
Come on.
You wine for them like you
Come on, no. Come on.
I want some now.
Hello? Me so call back. Me so link my father. Me so call back.
Hold on.
Oh no, my brother showed me a while ago. Because me and him to go deal with something, but show me a time out from morning, so me a time, so me so call him back.
So where my call from? Where you have to do for him?
I want car tire. You want me meet him with car. Showing tire punch up on the road, so I want me go over here to collect his spare fee. So I go look boat.
Alright.
Say okay though?
Yeah, I'm good man, I'm just there.
But I wonder say if we could go and meet you. General, me so link you, link you.
Copy that.
Me a forward, father, me a forward.
Copy that, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Link to the man 1,000.
Alright, yeah. Alright. One thing. Me I tell you something and you don't believe me, don't?
You're lucky, you know. You're lucky that me I tell you.
So me dip on my phone and you take my phone from me ears and for you listen to my conversation.
And so what wrong with that?
What you mean? Yo, nobody had the argument, man. Better not go up on the rubber deal me a deal there.
Just listen to me and say no sorry. Sorry, me just didn't want to make sure I say I am friend call you for true.
But from me tell you say my friend baby no need for you fret up yourself and not worry. Anything me say goes.
I'm sorry, I'm not do that again. Here?
Alright. Later.
Alright. I'll work on come back, you know. I'm stay along.
You get it?
Yo.
Hello?
No.
Puppy Dan just say him a can link you. He reach?
I would still.
Yes, I Tia. You don't know my voice?
Oh man, sorry man, I go save back your number. Hey, well, you know reach it, you know. When you say I go and check me.
Yeah, Yeah, I'm going to check it right now.
Oh, yeah, man, you not reach it, but you soon reach. But you not reach it, but you soon reach. You not come check me, man.
Alright, not tell him so me call you, do you know?
No, me not go tell him say you call me.
Alright then.
Alright, me not go tell him say you call me, but me not every month I go speak to you, but me not go tell him at his number. Alright, don't go there now.
Yeah, we alright. That's why I don't want you to tell him.
Like, me say me pray for you, you know. Alright, big up yourself, me pray for you.
Alright.
Alright,
I'm wondering if you send something.
Yeah.
Yo, Miguel. Later, me I come down at bar and check you.
Yo.
Aye.
Yo. How you do what I get so?
Me like to know if you own your sir or me own your so.
Brother, don't make me fling one stone and bust it. Come over here, sir. Yeah, deaf.
Me I come.
Where you do it, sir?
Me can't sit down out and
Yo, go up here, sir, man.
So we look so
So you don't know already, so you make me you can't talk on the front. You're going like you don't know that already.
So we come at front.
From you see me forward, brother, you should just come up and say you're not supposed to make me have to tell you that.
As what?
Where
So
you
you're woman in a problem now? That's how you reach us, so? Eh?
So that's why you call me and tell me say a long time you don't see me.
Oh, so me supposed to wait for every time you're a woman in a problem. For you come look for me. Oh, so me don't need attention. Oh, me not nobody. Eh?
You know, so you don't understand though. It come like me just have two toxic relationship. When me and one good, me and the other one no good. Me not like that.
Listen, when you're a woman good, you not text nor call my phone, you know. You get that? So of course you have two toxic relationship and you make it toxic by yourself.
So me I say, me and my woman didn't have a heated argument yesterday. And me and her settle and good enough. So me not depend on more argument now. Because I can't bother for my blood vessel for bust. Me not depend on that. I not like that.
Okay. So where you coming from now? Wow.
You call me and say a long time and I say me a business me I go deal with
So
them.
you're not my man. You're not
Me
supposed
know
to
you're
come
long
and
for a
come.
little sex you want. Are that you want? Are that you long for?
Listen, let me go.
I say for that you long
Let
for.
me go.
You just,
Me no bother
anytime you
want.
don't get them something there, you just miserable.
Me no bother want it. I'm going to tell you something. Puppy Dan, it's true because you know say I love you. I can always do me there something. Yeah. But the truth is, you see if you don't want me, I want. You understand? And stop playing with my feelings. Me too old for them and something. Yeah. You understand? Me need somebody who love me and care for me. Me can't do this too toxic, brother. Me can't do it. Me tired of it.
Just something to you. You know what is a spare? When you have a spare tire up on a car.
Wow. So a spare tire you call me?
But you well know that, so why make me keep on a fear tell you this?
Me can't manage this.
So me say man, just be laugh and miserable vibe. Me know what you want, you know. Come on.
Thanks for your water then. Right time. General. Alright. How you doing, man?
There man, everything good.
But there, yo, you know, say from when I say me see the I am, you know what I mean, and based on circumstances where, you know, I'm a pinky man, you know. You know Pinky?
I know man.
You know say I'm a Pinky man?
I'm a tia man.
Bomba! Small world, bro.
Yourself, man. Respect man.
Sorry,
Tia and her more while man.
Eh?
Close to round us man. Pan the next lane around the say, you see me?
Now when I work at Mash and I say I go buy a little water up that place then. So I cool out and
And
thing.
I'm bridging them, I say I go link, you know?
But it's like more show your vibe still. Saying
Woman give me one?
no, not necessarily say that.
So, go on.
But
Oh, go on.
think you get a phone call which day and thing and it was like say are you name Poppy then, right?
Yeah man, I'm in name
Yeah,
Puppy
so
then,
she
man.
said someone will call her up on her phone and all of that. So And I really say, cause yo man a G in the street, you know.
How you mean? You get it?
Long time. You understand what I say? But, you know, and I say, I watch woman and rate it, but.
You know what I say?
You know,
I like a misunderstanding did come down.
Mm?
Yeah, because I come in a room and I see my woman on the phone and he say, I text him best friend, which is your woman, but you know, I don't believe that. I don't buy the argument there. I just take your number out of your phone and call and I realize say your woman, so I just a wrong number and hang up.
Me I tell you, brother, misunderstanding. Go on, brother.
You know, so me a boy, I watch my woman and I just find it joyful, you know.
Me too, that.
That's 12 roll. That's 12 roll, man.
Brother, you know, sometimes I say, I wonder if I'm weird or I'm sick or my mother or something go on.
Yo,
we never know say there's something.
I mean,
brother, you hear me? Yo.
I look
right,
more.
Yo, brother, right now, I'm happy.
Yeah, I'm here if you're man. I two brethren, man.
That's cool, man. Yo, tell me now, brother. Yo, tell me now. I'm going to put it.
Yeah,
give me a few now. Give me some. Let's put that. Oh, man. See how he asked my brother. Yes, I'm my brother for life.
What do you mean, man?
Oh, man.
Alright, man.
Yeah, man.
Don't show up me over here.
Brother, every time.
Man, the phone drop out, you know.
Not true, yo.
Man, it's drop out.
It's me I talk about.
We know why your man drop out there like that. Alright,
yo, go on there, thing, brother.
Love what you woman.
Oh, yeah, man. Me too.
Alright. Watch me woman day. Watch me woman night. And if I feel it down under the bed, me will do that anytime. Watch me woman day, watch me woman night. And if I ever feel it down under the bed, me will do that anytime. Watch me woman day, watch me woman night. And if you lay down under the bed, me will do it anytime. Yo, let me tell you something. Stop use me as pass, brother. Stop make you look like me call when me not call you, make your woman not call me. So you ain't call my phone for you? Yo, listen to me I say. You know what I'm saying? Me top bar with you. Those book one virgin down a while ago, you know. And the nigga tell me saying watching woman, you know. Me have to tell him say no, me too. So what you have to do with me if you want to watch your woman? You have to watch your woman too. Watch me woman day, watch me woman night. And if I ever go lay down under the bed, me do it anytime.
No, let me ask you
something. You have to record the one there, eh?
Me have a woman?
No, you have a woman over bridge.
You know.
You have a woman over bridge. I told you you still want to go get her now.
Take my phone. Video where you sell look while and put it on WhatsApp, put it on YouTube, put it on everything. Cause my business I want to tell people. Give me my phone, man. Me want me to watch man and me have a woman. Tell me the truth now.
Oh, you know say, my woman said something to me other day when I say in a business with my relationship. What make you really go tell my woman that?
I said that.
And that she say. Who does that?
And that me I say who does that?
Now you? Brother. My woman not tell me no lie. No matter how we toxic, she not tell me no lie.
Let me tell you something now, Puppy Dan. You're my brethren.
Yeah, you're not brethren as a friend today. You watch your woman? So me have to be brethren.
Puppy Dan.
Eh?
I say you deal with my shabby dog.
I joke me man.
Puppy Dan. Remember say when you have no problem come give me, you know. I when me no want to listen, me have to listen because I respect you, know. Why when your woman come around you come tell me say, you and him in an argument. My head ain't hot me, you know. And Franny come and sit down on the rock stone mate start at me. And big time I say me I go over bridge go give the woman the 2,000. We should promise me 1,000, you know. Give me. As me come through the gate. I one more problem me see.
What?
No you.
Hey, you want to just make things extra for you. You know, say over me side girl you had me come from between me and you.
You sure you want to tell me that?
So how are you going to go tell me one?
No, me not tell him.
So make you ask me the question.
Because you say me an informer. And that you say.
You know go talk that man. You know
well, me not go really talk if you true. And if you give me 1,000 from we now alone, me can't get the 1,000 so me no feel like I want to talk. If you go to school, you kind of understand what I mean. Because nothing not go on right now. Right now, $1,000 kind of step up, you know. Because for all secret and everything is heavy, you know. Heavy like on $2,000. $2,000. Boy, hey, me rate you. Hey. Yeah, the general.
Only someone.
Hey, me say, hey, youth.
I'm sure they send it on to first.
Anything me see Tia do, I can't tell you. Anything me see ma do, me I can't tell.
Suppose she pay you. Anything me I do, you tell her.
Well, that in one spot that come like circuit case.
Yo, look come on.
Hold on, the Puppy Dan, hold on. 4, 5, you want good youth. Respect. Later.
Look come on.
Puppy Dan. Puppy Jesus Christ. Good when you know people business, you see. Lord God. Puppy Dan, look more.
Go watch your woman.
I'm a tough fuck, you know. Me go over bridge. Me have money now, me hire a ride, me go and release you over bridge.
Son hot man, you could drive, come pick me up. Eh?
Hush, I'm very sorry, but it's like
Hot man.
there I check some email and I say to myself, say, you alright? You look like you're in tired.
Mm-hmm.
How are the girl, nobody want you here today?
Mm-mm.
So you tell her, nobody, I cuss her on it?
No, me no cuss her. Me tell her say, me no feel so good, so maybe here some other time.
Cause I remember saying, me no want, I'm say we not sure if you're pregnant, you know. So me no want, you know, you have stress yourself and put yourself on a level or nothing. You understand? Cause I see her walk a while ago, and I just see Junior in her belly and Junior bounce, and I say, boy, hopefully when Junior come, Junior will be excited and happy just like us. Yo, see you. We alright though, babe? Alright, let me say, I am sorry for accusing you, for making you feel like, you know, I was, you know, this toxic person. I make you feel uncomfortable, you know, because I don't want us to have a family that we're not happy with. Alright? Alright, babe. But, my day is going so good. I mean, I want to just...
Well, it take a man to stand up and apologize, you know, so we're good, man, we're cool.
We're good, you sure? Salute. Alright, so, my day, I have to tell you, day is nice. We go do our work and did I buy one water and I buy water and one thing and come around and see one youth what, you know, you must know him too, you know, cause play small, you know, Jamaica small, play small.
Who that?
Yo, but what I know man, me I talk to you.
It's nice, like
yeah, me happy.
Like you get some whole heap of money
good.
or
No,
something.
well, we soon get paid if you work. But it's like say, did there a reason, man, and you know, it just, sometimes you have some real youth in the world, you know, some youth who understand what life is all about to the fullest. You know, man-to-man conversation, but me I'm turn bridge now. You know, if you know, remember one youth man named Poppy that me I take his number and thing, and you know, it's just so amazing how people can actually have the same mindset.
Just shut up. Poppy who?
Poppy Dan.
Oh, Jesus
you remember
Christ.
I used to ride the bike sometime, you know.
Father Savior, help me.
You know, you ride the bike.
When you say you and Poppy Dan turn friend, hey, let me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something. No bother with it, you know.
You bother with what?
No bother with it. What you mean by you and him turn friend? Them the man they, you know who is them the man they?
Eh? There's a man there, what you talking about?
Them the man ain't nothing about them.
The man they love your woman. There's the people who love their woman and protect their woman and think about their woman. A people if you par with. Them's a bird of the same feather. Flock together.
Hello, calm down. Love which woman?
Man,
love which woman?
Yo,
which
say,
love?
I mean love is...
I be a treat girl like a shit. I come back and talk about love.
Like a shit, what you talking about?
He
make sure
he accuse the girl for everything.
So how you
and
know
he
so
deal
much?
with the girl one way. Because the girl and my friend, and him call me phone at me in an argument.
No, him explained that to me as it was a misunderstanding. And it was just something where the phone ring off. I know them kind of youth, I tell them.
Listen to me, you see them man they don't treat, that the man they don't treat my friend good. There's nothing good about Poppy Dan.
So hold on. So how you will get next about the situation now? Like say, you don't understand what me I say. If me say the youth is cool, why you say, why you have some relationship before? Eh? You have nothing before? You have nothing before? Answer my question. You have nothing before? You know how your breasts look? You know your nipple them feel?
Why you make you water go up?
You know your belly. Hey, answer my question. I'm gonna stop.
Listen.
Don't drink no water, yes or no, man. Talk to me now, man. Give me hat to man. How you go? How you go?
Listen, you see, if I know one thing, to me change my life.
Let me change your life.
I would have nah up your face.
Yo, me tell you, me tell you, dumb, me go to jail now. Me tell you, dumb, me go to jail now.
Open my nose,
Me tell you, dumb, me go to jail now. Me tell you, dumb, me go to jail. Me no want go to jail. Why you put your hand on me? Why you put your hand on me, Pinky? Pinky, put your hand on me. You laugh, you think I joke business? Yo, you think I joke business this? Pinky, me there so long, you know. And you come put your hand on me. Where you go? Where you go? Yeah, where you go? Where you go? Mister, where you go? Where you go? Mister, you're pregnant, so you can't do that. Stop that. Hey.
So idiot, have sense.
Have you sense?
Mister, him man never touch me yet. He never see me breast yet. He never go on.
So we can pick up for the man then.
Because he... Lord Jesus Christ, you still not get what me I said. The man not treat me friend good. I mean, I like there something there.
Something, no, something about this not feel good. Pinky, I cheated me puppy then.
What?
You cheated me puppy then. Tell me that I'm having no.
You have sense or something?
Tell me something, have sense. You have this backside. Tell me what I'm going more for know.
Yes.
I go call my virgin and borrow. I go. Yo.
You see it, you damn idiot. No. Me tell you something faithful to you. Certain things what me used to do in the past, me not do it again.
You sure?
Just stop from going so be. Me I tell you something say, you no keep that them and the friendship. No, that the company no good for you be. I hit me I tell you boy. So, you don't want to listen.
So I almost get a heart attack a while ago.
Sorry.
You never do that, man. Feel my heart heavy.
I'm sorry, but look what you mean.
Touch my heart, how my heart feel. Touch it.
Oh God. Oh my.
Let me tell you something. Let me feel something. Let me do this to me again, yeah? And then it be... Oh, so... You buy a pregnancy test? Eh?
No.
And look how you get worked up, babe. Eh? You get so worked up today. You buy a pregnancy test?
No, see, I feel weak and all, man.
You feel weak?
I don't buy no test. I don't
I could go buy some pumpkin soup. Because a pumpkin in the belly. What pumpkin belly? Huh? We kill them. Take out all the key out of the vehicle. So, a pumpkin soup you want? What you want to eat?
I want bun.
Bun you want? Aside, I call this. I call you give me. You want bun? Bun for door.
You sit to me, bother with it.
Not even a bun with cheese. You want bun? Me you talk all this time about bun. I know you talk about say you want bun. You want give me bun or you want me give you bun? How damn bun go? Eh? How bun go?
A bun for eat.
Bun for...
I say the whole while I come back, man. I think I come in and feel miserably.
No, so me
I try to myself hurry up and go and come back. But anyways, guess who I see on the road?
Who?
Your best friend, man.
My best friend or my best friend man?
I say your best friend, man.
Oh.
Pinky, man. How you name again?
Oh, public?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same on the road and he asked me a little question about a little incident that go on another day and I explain to him and he get to have a good understanding by when I say car. Like him say man, he woman they just have a little catch up about who they call the phone and you know so I explain that to him say I did call because I did have something but no I go back in the argument there. But that's that me see man we talk about basically.
Oh.
Until
No, I just think like, and they make it up back quick, you know. Like when I say quick, in the big and something, but they make it up back quick. So what me I try to say to you is, as someone me have to live.
So how we live now, babe? How we live now?
We are live good. We are live good now. But let me say something to you. You know so me and Pinky are best friend, right?
Yes.
Right? And we talk about whole heap of things. And I say whole heap of things. I say one of the things that we talk about is Public is a good man. Public
So
treating.
me no want good man.
Yeah, me never say so, you know. Me just a show you a pre.
Me no want you compare me
Just-
with no man. Me and me and him and him.
You just arrogant, so just listen what me say now.
Yes.
When me over Pinky yard, right? It will me see public treat Pinky. And you know, easy to get upset like I used to. Then you can't talk about any little thing. Any little thing like without. You understand what I say?
Me get what you say, man. Me get what you say.
What me I say?
Me get what you say, but me no want you compare me with nobody. I just that me I try to tell you. Me no like it. You no tell me about no man. Me no want you about no man. Them good with for them relationship. You get what me I say, babe?
I understand what you say, but me just give you one
Babe,
little scenario with.
Me no want to hear the scenario because that I go make you jump off and now. Me no depend on that.
So you tell me say, as a couple, me and you can't reason about something. Me can't show you a pre without you get ignorant like say. I mean, know you're not illiterate, you know. Me know you're not illiterate, but I saw you going like.
What you mean that's how me a go on? What you mean by? Not do that, man. Not say so, man. You know what? Better me go hold a beer there, man. Okay, if you sit down here and me you talk, we catch up in an argument. I mean, I like that. Yo, me tell you, our relationship too toxic. We have a toxic relationship. Because me tell you, so me no want to hear about something and you still a pearl on it.
You know, say, are you toxic? Are you toxic, you know? Me simple as say to you sitting and, Ocha. Hey, me sick and me tired of you, you know. Sick and me tired of you now, man. Sometimes I don't even know.
Always I feel unhappy in a relationship, you know. I just want you to know some rate you to all levels. I don't want you to bex up yourself and tell me about my woman. Don't worry about that. You get me? So you have to
Sorry,
go
was
to
I can't go and give me a friend.
you look nice. We have to go to You just have fuss up yourself too much.
I have to fuss up myself.
Oh,
You have
me
one
had me
next
did
to
one
man. I always give me attention.
all of that goes. I will try to fix it to balance everything between me and you.
I always hear that.
But me serious I know. Because boy, I don't know what I want in me and my man. So relationship just toxic. We good today, we not good tomorrow. We good today, we not good tomorrow.
You done?
I will try to just balance things between me and you.
So we come here to talk about your woman or you come here
No, I come to talk about beautiful you.
Alright.
Woman would say I'm not sure if you know have a call or if I make you look no way. So I'm not sure. So I did.
You look drunk, you.
You want to come over here for your bill?
You look dirty shit, yo.
If your birthday we come up next month, I'm going to carry you to a hotel and I'm going to make you enjoy yourself.
Yes. A long time. Me know say I cheat for my best friend.
How this?
Me know you don't like me, but today you worse and not gonna like me. Me, I go show my friend this and I feel like some show. A long time you cheat for my friend. Me say a long time you cheat for my friend. I look shit pit you. I shall show my friend this. Hey, shut up!
Where you come from?
Hey boy, shut up. Me say me bend down for this and I catch a hole and boy you put floors. Boy you put floors in a gallery. And show my friend right now you look up. I don't know if it's going to kick and suck. Hey, me don't want to tell you something. Watch me, yo.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching. And people, remember, if the movie, they don't say a whole heap of energy you put in the movie phone, you know. So make sure you enjoy the movie to the fullest. And remember, people, always remember, subscribe. Free. You don't have to pay for subscribe. It's free for subscribe. So just click the subscribe button so that means when you post a movie, you know so you can get notified. People, and remember to go over True World TV. Remember Coloring Book Boss channel that there. check it out. I'm about to go over Pinky TV. Remember over Bad Goat TV, same way. All heap of work we have put in, man. We don't do all heap of talking. See you next time. Out.